In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download code from Replit, a full guide. Currently, downloading your code from Replit is easier than before, but there are still a few details to know depending on whether you want the entire project or just individual files. If you're on desktop, start by opening the Replit project you want to export. At the top right corner of the workspace, you'll see a three-dot menu or a W options button. Click it and you'll find the download as zip option. This will package your entire project including all files, folders, and dependencies into a single zip file that you can save to your computer. Once downloaded, you can extract the zip and open it with any IDE such as VS Code, PyCharm, or even a simple text editor. If you only need a specific file, Replit also allows you to right-click the file in the file tree and choose Download File. This is useful when you just want a single script or asset without grabbing the whole project. Another way, especially if you're working collaboratively, is to connect Replit with GitHub. From the project settings, you can link your GitHub account and push your code directly to a repository. That way, you won't have to manually download zip files each time. You can simply clone your repo whenever you need it on another device. A pro tip for smooth downloads is to always make sure your project has been saved and run at least once before exporting. Replit automatically saves changes, but occasionally unsaved edits can be left behind in the editor cache. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.